everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm making this Baja Blast pie because I couldn't get one at Taco Bell. First thing we need to do is start off with a large bowl, and then we're going to bring in our Mountain Dew Baja Blast. You can use a can, bottle, whichever you have. We're going to add 1 cup of that Baja Blast into a large bowl. Next, we're going to use some Jello. This is just some vanilla Jello instant pudding mix. Happens to be 5.1 ounces. Open it up, pour it into our Baja Blast. A little bit of lime juice, about ½ a teaspoon, and just whisk this together. At this point, I have some teal food coloring. I'm gonna put that in there and see how it looks. Oh, there you go. That's the color I want. When that's done, go ahead and move that aside. Then we're going to bring in another bowl. Inside here I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. We're just going to whisk this up. And then we're going to add in our pie filling here. Had to find me a better utensil to scrape out all of our filling. And mix that in. The color is fading a little bit, and it's going to fade more when we put in our Cool Whip, so I'm going to add a little bit more food coloring here. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of our Cool Whip. And at this point, we're just going to fold this in. So just go ahead and fold this in. You don't want to overmix it. All right, so when the color is consistent throughout, we're gonna bring in our pie crust, which I'm using a pre-made one. You can make it from scratch. It's pretty easy to do. It's just graham crackers, really. We're gonna add this to our pie crust. Spread out nicely. I put some of that Cool Whip in a piping bag with a 1M tip. We're just gonna go around the outside of this, just like this. And when that's all done, we're just going to put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it sit overnight. Now it's time for a taste test. Let's dig into our Baja Blast pie with our tiny spoon, of course. That's good. I don't know what the original tastes like, but this is pretty good. Hope you enjoyed watching me make this Baja Blast pie. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. Check out this video right here. And until then, I'll see you next time.